students, a very big and warm welcome to all of you. I hope you all are doing great. So children, before starting the session, let me introduce myself to you. This is Pooja Rawat and today I am going to teach you an interesting subject which is computer. So tell me children, what do you mean by computer? What is computer and how computer work? Why computer is so important for us? So we are going to find out about this in our very first chapter. So let's start the chapter. Files and folders. Let's know about what are files and folders, how to use them and what type of data we can store in files and folders. So our tech goals of this chapter are: stepwise learning approach, learn about the start button, this PC icon, file folders and file explorer, learn about a file folder action, creating a folder, deleting a folder, opening a folder, renaming a folder, restoring a folder and learn other actions. So in this chapter we are going to learn about all these topics. So let's start. Let's boot up. Match the following pictures to the correct folder label. So as you can see, some pictures are given here. You have to match them. Like this one is for what? For storing your pictures. So you will match it with this. This one is for storing your music and this is for videos and this is for. In this chapter, we will learn about files and folders and the tools that helps you organize and find your digital stuff. So basically, we store our digital stuffs in file and folders. So we are going to learn about files and folders. First, we are going to discuss about the start button. When you click on the start button, a menu appears which shows you all the different applications on your computer. You can find your favorite games, apps and files here. So with the help of start button, you can search anything like about your games, favorite games, apps, files, etc. This PC icon is where you find your files, folders and all your connected devices. Double click to access this PC and view all your files and folders. So whenever you double click on this PC icon, this is your this PC icon. Whenever you click on it, you can see different files and folders which are containing your datas, informations and other things. Now let's talk about file folder. Files and folders are like your digital treasure chest. Files hold your photos, videos and documents, while folders help you keep your files organized, just like your toy box keeps your toys neat and tidy. So files and folders are like your digital treasure chest, like you can see your cupboards where you keep your files and folders systematically. So file holds, or you can say file contains your photos, videos and documents or other folders which are organized. File Explorer is like your digital tour guide. It helps you explore all the places in your computer where your files and folders live. You can use File Explorer to open, copy, move and manage the files and folders. So File Explorer is like your digital tour guide. It guides you to where your files and folders are saved, and you can also explore about opening, saving, moving your files and folders. Now file folder actions. First, creating a folder. Creating a folder is like making a new home for your files. You can give your folder a name and put related files inside it. Suppose you are saving new data in your computer, so you have to make a new file or folder for that. So some steps are given here to create a folder. Step 1, right click any blank area on the desktop of menu will appear with options. Step 2, from the menu, click on the new option. Step 3, a submenu will appear. Click on the folder option. Step 4, a new folder will appear on the desktop. For this, you have to right click on any area on the desktop. So a menu will appear like this, as you can see. So you have to choose new option from here. Again, a submenu will appear. You have to choose folder from this option and new folder will appear or created on the desktop. Now opening a folder. When you click on a folder, it shows all the files it holds and you can explore them one by one. Step 1. Look at the screen and find the folder you want to open. Step 2. Move your mouse pointer over the folder icon. Step 3. Double click the left mouse button and the folder will open. So whenever you double click on any folder, you can see all the items which are holding in that folder, which are containing in that folder. So for opening a folder, you have to look at the screen and you have to find that particular folder which you want to open. Then you have to move your mouse pointer over that folder icon to open that. And what will you do? You just double click on that folder and your folder will be open. Now renaming a folder. Renaming a folder is like giving it a new name. Now suppose your folder is no longer holding a piece of information which was earlier in that folder. Now you want to rename it. So how you will rename it? Some steps are given here. Step 1. Click on the folder icon. Once to select it, the folder will look a little brighter, showing that it's ready for a new name. Step 2. Now click on the folder's name again, but this time don't double click. Just pause for a moment and click one more time. Step 3. The folder's name will become editable. Type the new name you want for the folder using the keyboard. Step 4. Press the enter key on the keyboard. So for this you have to click a folder icon which the name you want to rename. So you will see it will look brighter like this. Now you have to click on the folder's name, but you have to just one click on that and you have to wait for some time. You will see a cursor will appear there or blue line will be appear there. You have to write the name of that folder which you want to give to that folder and then you have to press the enter key. Now deleting a folder. Deleting a folder is like cleaning up your room and putting away toys you don't need anymore. Be careful, once you delete a folder, it's gone forever. So sometimes there are some folders which we don't need. So you have to just delete them, but be careful whenever you are deleting them because they can't regain or recover back forever. Step 1. Find the folder you want to delete. Step 2. Click on the folder icon once to select it. Step 3. Right click on the selected folder. A pop-up menu will appear. Step 4. From the pop-up menu, click on the delete option. Step 5. Confirmation. A confirmation message will appear asking if you are sure you want to delete the folder. Read the message and click yes to proceed. Step 6. The folder will disappear from your desktop, but don't worry, it's not really gone forever. It's just moved to computer's recycle bin. So first you have to find that particular folder which you want to delete. Then you have to click on the folder icon. Once you select it, then you have to right click on the selected folder. A menu will appear. You have to search for delete option and whenever you see the delete option, you have to just click on that. After clicking on delete option, you will get a confirmation message that will ask you if you are sure about deleting that folder or not. So you have to click on yes. The folder will be disappear from your desktop. It will no longer will be present there. It will go to direct recycle bin. Now let's see restoring a folder. So step 1 is given here. Double click on the recycle bin icon. The recycle bin will open, showing all the deleted items inside, including the folder you want to restore. Step 2, find the folder you want to bring back in the list of deleted items. Sometimes we want the folder back which we have deleted earlier. For that you have to open the recycle bin and you have to search for that particular folder which you have deleted earlier. Now step 3, right click on the folder you want to restore. A pop-up menu will appear offering you different options. Step 4, from the pop-up menu, click on the restore option. Step 5, the folder will disappear from the recycle bin and return it to its original place on the desktop. So you have to right click on that folder to restore it. A menu will appear which will ask you different options. So you have to click on restore option. So your folder will be restored to its original position. Now right clicking an icon. When you right click on an icon, a menu appears with options for that icon. You can open, copy, delete and do many other things. So whenever you click on any icon, a menu appears with lots of options. Right clicking blank space. When you right click on a blank space, a menu appears with different options. See, whenever you click on blank space, also a menu appears like this, which appears with lots of options. Now memory reload. Windows introduce us to files and folders where we can store and organize our digital items. The start button grants access to our menu with games, apps and files. This PC icon serves to help us view all data stored on our computer, including files, folders and connected devices. Files and folders are like treasure chest with files holding photos, videos and documents, and folders helping us keep our digital treasures organized. With the File Explorer as our digital tour guide, we can explore, open, copy, move and manage our digital treasures with ease. So window introduce us to files and folders where we can store our documents, information, files, etc. And start button grant us or give us access to see different apps, menus, icons, etc. Also we have learned about this PC icon and about files and folders and about deleting and restoring files and folders. Now check your learning. Tick the correct option. How can you access this PC? So the answer is option C. Double click on the PC icon. What is the purpose of a folder? So the correct answer is to manage your digital items. What can you compare the File Explorer to? So you can compare it with a digital map. Where does a folder go when you delete it from the desktop? So it is moved to the computer's recycle bin. Now fill in the blanks. Creating a folder is like making a new cabinet for your files. Restoring a folder means bringing it back from the recycle bin. When you right click on an icon, a sub-menu or context menu appears. Now write T for true and F for false. The start button opens a folder. It is false. This PC icon takes you to place where you can see all your files and folders. Yes, it is true. Files and folders help you organize and find your digital items. Yes, it is true. All deleted files are permanently removed and cannot be stored. No, it is false. They are moved to recycle bin and we can restore our files from recycle bin. Now answer the following questions. What is the purpose of start button in Windows? The start button in Windows serves as the primary access point for various system function and application. Its purpose is to provide a quick access to your apps, games, folders and different things. So how does File Explorer help you manage your files and folders on the computer? File Explorer is a file management application that helps you organize and manage your files and folders by browsing and navigating, by creating and deleting, by copying, moving and renaming, by searching and by viewing their properties. Third, explain the steps to create a new folder on the desktop. So step 1, first you have to navigate to the desktop. Then step 2, right click on a blank space. Then you have to select new. Then you have to select a folder. Then you have to name the new folder. What happens when you right click on a blank space on your desktop? When you right click on a blank space on your desktop, a context menu appears. This menu provides various options related to the desktop and system settings. Lab activity. Create a set of folders with different names. Sort the files into the correct folders based on their types. Example, pictures, videos, or documents. So you have to create some set of folders with different names, and you have to just keep your files in those particular files and folders. So children, I hope you understood whatever we have done in this session. Now you will revise the chapter, and yes, do not forget to practice the exercise.